Hey guys, how are you? Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. My name is Monte Sandlin, and I wanted to do a quick, simple review on the Simple Freedom Warriors project. And I've been in affiliate marketing for a little over, just under a couple of years. And I joined the Simple Freedom Warriors project and started having even more success. And I really think this program is very beneficial to almost anybody out there that's looking to get started. And Justin's been super helpful for me on the trainings, being able to help me connect the dots with my system to get it more automated. Also being able to build my email marketing list more effectively, helping me make sure that my emails aren't going to the trash. Also with helping me with my SEO optimization, being able to be more effective with my business and also create very good quality leads in a very short period of time. For me personally, I was able to have success in the program after only 4 days. So I'm excited to share with the rest of you guys out there looking to get started, something that's simple here with the Simple Freedom Warriors. And we'll see you guys on the inside. Thank you guys.